Hi everybody, I'm Andy Martongelli, guitarist from Ellefson, Soto Band and Artemis. I discovered ADV at the NAMM show meanwhile walking through the booth, and I saw them and I said, wow, they were looking great, they were solid, and above all, they were sounding great. I'm always being very picky about the sound, about the perception. It's very important to hear everything, what's going on around me on a stage and in the recording studio. I like to hear every single note. From playing shows in a club, on a big stage, on a festival, during a live streaming or teaching guitar, ADV delivers the good every time. It makes me really enjoy what I'm playing while I'm playing. Above all, I'm really proud to be part of this amazing family. No compromise in terms of sound quality. ADV is designed for musicians.